Want an easy recipe that will have your family begging for more? I've got a great one for you today. I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making these incredible chicken bacon ranch sliders, or as my son calls them, CBR sliders, because he can slam them down like nothing. If you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really makes a difference. And be sure to grab the full printable recipe in the video description below. Okay, so the first thing we need to do to get our CBR sliders going is to slice up our slider rolls. So here I have a 12-pack of those Hawaiian slider rolls. You can find them just about anywhere. And what we want to do is leave them together, right? We don't want to pull them apart. So I'm just pulling them out of their package whole like this. Now we need to slice them so that the tops are separate from the bottoms, but again, we are not separating them. So a serrated knife works perfectly for this. Just slice them right down the center. Okay, and I'm gonna flip them over, get the other half. You just wanna make sure you have a sheet of tops and a sheet of bottoms, like so. Okay, so we're gonna put our bottoms here in the baking dish. I need a spatula. So we're going to start with our ranch dressing. So I just have some good old bottled ranch. We're gonna put a healthy a healthy amount on the bottom. And then I'm just gonna smear it around. Now, of course, if you like another flavor of dressing, try it, right? I think Caesar would be awesome with these. Okay, perfect. Next, we're going to layer on our cheese, and I'm using Colby Jack. I love, love, love Colby Jack cheese, mostly because it melts so beautifully. So I'm going to put a layer of that on here. And it's okay if they overlap a little bit at the end. I'm just going to rip it in half. There we go, perfect. Okay, next up I have some deli sliced chicken. So this is like a seasoned garlic chicken, and I just got it from the deli and I sliced it, had them slice it super duper thin. It's like paper thin. And this is perfect. Oh, and it smells so good. I can smell like the seasonings here. So I think I'm using maybe about 1/2 to 3/4 of a pound, whatever you like. You can make them as full or thin as you'd like them. That's what's great about cooking, is you can customize this to however you'd like. So just pile it up there. Yeah, that's looking good. Okay, so we got our chicken and we got our ranch. What are we missing? The bacon. So here I have some cooked bacon. I just kind of broke it up into bite-sized pieces. And we're just going to pile that on there. I swear this is my son's favorite flavor combination. If he sees chicken bacon ranch anything, he's ordering it. Okay, that looks good. Okay, next up, more cheese. It should be called chicken bacon ranch cheese, CBRCs. Okay. So same thing, we're just going to, I can't get it apart here. Layer it on there. Oh, I just have 2 pieces left, I'm gonna use it. There we go. And now, another healthy dose of our ranch. Spread it around. Yum. Yum, yum. Okay, looking good. We're going to place those tops back onto our sliders. Beautiful. And now we're going to make a glaze to go on top of it. So here I have some melted butter. To our melted butter, I'm going to add a teaspoon of dried parsley. And then I'm also going to add half a teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm gonna add a little more because I can, and I love garlic. And these are my sliders. Give her a good stir. And this is going to make our sliders brown up nicely and give them even more flavor. So I'm just going to drizzle that right on top and spread it around. Now you don't want any bun on the top here left uncovered. So make sure all the edges, and it's okay if it drips down the side. Perfect. Okay, we are going to pop these into a preheated oven and then we are digging in. Okay, I swear this is the best part of my job, getting to eat these things, right, Joe?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
so
yeah.
I have a taste tester with me here. These sliders, amazing. Okay, we are gonna go in. Joe and I are both gonna take one. Your favorite, your CBR sliders.
Oh yeah. They look amazing.
Don't they smell good too?
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna cut two here. Right. Just look at that. Oh, you could see the chicken, the bacon, the ranch. Yum, yum. All right, hold on. Don't eat it yet. Don't try it. Don't. Yeah, well, they just came out of the oven. Okay, here we go. Ready? Cheers.
Cheers.
Don't I have a great job?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Do you like my job?
Love it. Love it.
So what's the verdict? Keepers?
Definitely.
Definitely a keeper. These CBR sliders are for sure a keeper, and they're Joey approved. If you love the flavor combination of these sliders, you're going to love my crack chicken pasta. It's chickeny, bacony, cheesy deliciousness. You can check it out here. I'll see you over there.